Hey guys, I was out here scrolling. There's the scrap pile of the board I cut out. There's the logo. Yes, you know it. Rockford Fosgate, guys. I cut that out fucking around. Get some color into it like I did with the MTX and the Lanzar and the Alpine and the Lanzar Opti. What else do we do? B2 audio up top. We did a spider. I did some drip. Got the drip down there. Drip, drip, drip. We did Weeby Basin for the channel. Did the flames in the back. You can barely see them. What else did we do? Oh, we did this funky ass skull. It took me like pretty much, I don't know, like a week. Turned out pretty freaky, but it's not what I expected. But yeah, that's about it. Oh, and I did the skulls up there. Cut out the skulls and the drip on there. They're not what I expected either, but whatever, man. Practice makes perfect. So we'll get some color on this. I think my favorite one is the MTX audio. I love this. I absolutely love that. Doesn't that look gorgeous? And the Lanzar's not too bad. But that MTX audio, that just turned out banging. Banging. I don't see any more. I think that's it. I swear there was one. Oh, Metallica. Cut that out too. Sweet. Peace, guys.